Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, everyone. We're down here in Te Puke in the Bay of Plenty, and it's a stunning day today. We're here checking out this build we've currently got on the go. It's 12 metres by 20 metres, 3 roller doors, and the crew we've got building it down here is doing a fantastic job. So if you're in the Bay of Plenty or local and you want a shed, come to us and have a talk, and our salesmen are going to be able to talk you through the process and let you know what we can do for you. The shed's got an awesome overhang out the front of it, which is going to make it a really good all-weather loading spot. So they've got the 3 garage doors already installed, cladding on, roof on, and before Christmas we'll have the walls and a lot of the final flashings done. So absolutely fantastic to be seeing this and wrapping it up by Christmas.
Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here with Chris. Chris, how are you?
Good, thank you.
And we're here looking at his wonderful shed. We're just down the other side of Tauranga. So yeah, this wonderful, nice new shed that we've just built. Now, one thing that Chris did was he entered into a competition for when we were at the beach hop in 2023, I think it was.
Last year's beach shop.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we had a full-page ad on there saying, mention the ad, build a shed with us, and we'll give you a nice big prize. So I'm going to present him first about that, and then we can carry on with the shed. So Chris,
Help me drag out the prize.
no, here it is.
Great.
It's a nice big toolkit.
Awesome.
Sadly, there's no tools in it. And thank you to the tool shed for supplying this for us. We had to buy it, but thank you for supplying it. They're good supporters of us and give us all our tools. So there you go, Chris.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the shed.
Yep.
And thank you for mentioning that. And it just goes to show, you know, reading our adverts can always lead to good things. Now,
Terrific.
This wonderful shed. So just to give you some quick stats on it, it's 20 metres long by 12 metres deep. We've got 4 5-metre bays. We've got 3 garage doors on it. These garage doors are 3.8 metres high by 3.6 metres wide. So it's designed to be a workshop or a storage area. It's also got a beautiful place for either a bar or a man cave or an office.
Right.
And at the back we've got a toilet, we've got a little lunch room or a bar area, whatever you want. Chris has spent a lot of time just flattening out and making this ground really, really nice and easy to maintain.
Yep.
But really what we're here to do is have a chat to you and figure out how you found the process going through Waikato Sheds, the build process, talking to me.
Okay. So,
Sorry.
so we bought this commercial property a couple of years ago, and the other half of it already has a building on it. So we were looking to do something with this half of the building, and after a lot of debate, we decided build a shed.
Yes.
Build something that can be a workshop, can be a outlet, distribution, whatever. So we started looking at sheds, and yeah, Waikato Sheds. We came over and we had a look at your shed in Morrinsville.
Yep.
And
I remember that.
Very excited. It was beautiful. The quality was great, and so we went ahead, and so it's been a year. Now since the process started. Well, obviously that takes a while because there's plans and we had to sign off things and go through the process of getting a permit and consents and all that sort of carry on. We did a bit ourselves, so because we had to work through an engineer to
Correct.
So and there were a few little things on the way, like getting the pad done. I mean, there was a mission doing that, but the actual shed build, not a problem. It was straightforward. It was over Christmas, and it's great. We're really happy with the quality. It's fantastic.
Cool.
Actually.
So,
Yeah.
as you say, you were starting to look for sheds and everything else. So, why did you choose Waikato Sheds over the other shed companies out there?
Well, price was a factor, but it wasn't the end factor. I mean, it got down to a couple of companies.
Yep.
And as I say, we came over and you actually had a shed to show us. That was really important to us. The other company didn't. And they worked out of a little office basically and said, well, here's the drawings, you know. So we saw your shed, we walked through your office, you know, we could see what you could do with the shed. You sent us off to have a look at a couple of other sheds on the way back from Morrinsville. And, you know, that sold it for us, you know, that we could actually see what we were going to get.
Oh, that's cool.
You know, and at the end of the day, it's worked out well.
Well, there you go. You've heard it here first. If you're undecided, come see us. We'll show you a good shed and we'll show you what we do. And we're always happy to show that. And I know a lot of our clients are more than happy to show their other sheds. We just got to ask for permission first. That's all good?
Yep.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, Chris.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Thanks for the toolbox.
You're welcome.
Very good.